What's up YouTube? First update video on the new location here. I'm going to show you guys what we've been up to over the past few days. I'm also going to be doing some detailing, trying to catch the vibes here, see what it's like. I'm going to be trying some of these new Coach Kimmy products, some of the latest additions to the web shop, and yeah, stay tuned for that. That's it right there. First product on the shelf of the new warehouse. First of all, I want to thank you guys for all the positive feedback on the video I made where I asked you guys if you'd be interested in seeing a video series of the new location here. And this is the first one, first update video. This is kind of what we've been up to over the past few days. So we've been installing these racks, we've been assembling the new packing tables. We may still end up putting some more racks. I'm not too sure yet. This right here already is a big upgrade to what I have at the current location. All that I actually started exactly 2 years ago with only, I think it was like 3 small racks, and I only had like 6 CarPro products. I had some accessories, some towels and stuff like that. Really not that much. So it's kind of crazy to see how much the company has grown over the past 2 years, so yeah. We still have some finalizing to do before we can actually start to work here and move in our inventory, all the products and stuff. Right here where I'm standing, this is where I'm gonna have my office, and there will also be a small retail area here where you enter the building. I'm not entirely sure how I'm gonna do that just yet in terms of like opening hours and stuff, but you guys will have the opportunity or the possibility to come here, pick up some product, ask some questions, but I still have to figure out how I want to do it. I don't want a shop that's open 5 or 6 days a week. That's not really what I want to do. So it's going to be kind of limited in a way. I guess what we'll do now is we'll go and have a look at the unit next door. That's actually where the detailing studio is going to be. And I just, quickly want to go over how I plan on designing that. So this is the unit next door. This is where all the detailing will be done. This one's completely empty still because I'm not entirely sure what I want to do just yet. I'm not entirely sure how I want to design it. This right here will be the wash bay, and I'll be able to wash inside, which is amazing. And what I'm thinking of doing is putting some hexagon lights right here. And then for the wall, I want to have some sort of like accent wall, something that's unique, something that really stands out in the videos, obviously with my logo on there. But I'm just not entirely sure what I want to do just yet. So if you guys have any ideas or suggestions, leave them down in the comments. And then moving over to the back side of the unit here, I think what I want to do here is divide this up into 2 rooms where I can do the rest of the work, where I can do the polishing and the coatings and stuff. Also not sure what I want to do to the walls. I'm not sure if I want to keep them completely white or go for the same sort of style that I currently have. One thing I am sure of though is that these rooms will definitely need a ceiling, and I'm going to be putting the same sort of ceiling as I have in the current garage. Also, these ceilings will help a lot with the echo in here, because right now it's pretty bad, and like I can't have that for the videos. It will sound terrible. So yeah, if you guys have any ideas on how to improve this place in terms of sound deafening, then let me know in the comments, because I'm really looking to do something here, because you know, it's just not gonna sound nice in the video. So